really an engineer's paradise in terms of research tools.
It's in a hospital hub.
Just a ton of experts around.
The graduate program here is one of the first programs in biomedical engineering and is still one of the best in the country.
Graduate students come with completely new ideas because they just have a different way of thinking about things.
The graduate students are very core to what we do here, essentially the lifeblood of my lab.
We've updated our graduate curriculum to reflect the kinds of information that our students need now.
I've improved my writing skills, my communication skills.
But also instruction now occurs in much smaller groups in the context of the research areas.
Most of my projects deal with cardiovascular diseases.
I am studying biomaterials, specifically nanoparticles that stop internal bleeding. There is this really strong collegiate environment here. We sort of ask each other for help and we collaborate with each other.
We have a lot of opportunities to go to conferences, meet people who are important in the field, and have them listen to what I've been working on.
There are really cutting-edge imaging facilities here at Case Western Reserve.
I come here because the international fame of the neuroengineering program.
I started as an undergraduate. I decided to stay on to obtain my PhD because of the research that I got heavily involved in.
I think some schools specialize only in one small project, but we have a strength of this whole nervous system.
I did my undergrad at Yale University. Case Western Reserve University seemed like a natural fit for me, making sure my research was translated from the bench to the bedside.
It's truly a translational program from very basic science studies all the way through clinical application in the lifetime of one student's PhD thesis.
Students and researchers actually go to the hospitals. They have one-on-one interactions with the physicians. They collect data.
Using image analysis and big data analytics for treatment of cancers.
We're beginning to move into a few other areas as well, such as metabolism, which is a major health area.
The faculty helped sort of push me to think about my project in new ways.
A number of my students have already started to work on patents. They have started to generate intellectual property. I've also had a large number of graduate students can become part of startups.
I'm in the medical scientist training program. It's a dual degree program where you'll get your MD and your PhD.
We've created a master's degree in translational biomedical engineering to not just create the technology, but understand all of the steps necessary to get it to the patient and get it into the regulatory approval process.
The Masters of Translational Health Technology really makes me more marketable as an engineer. It's gotten me a lot of interviews so far.
I'm so proud to be at Case Western Reserve University. I think the most important thing is improve the quality of life for patients.